Afternoon, welcome. This is Jamb year 2011 government pass question. Question number 5. And the question number 5 here says, which of the following is a feature of democracy? Which of the following is a feature of democracy? And as we all know, demo- democracy is a system of government government in which which the power of the the state or of government is vested on popu- popular on popular majority. So option A say power vested in minority parties. Option B say popular consultation. C say interdependence. D says state responsibility to states. No. D, which of the following is a feature of democracy? Is what we call popular consultation. So in democracy or democratic states, there is what we call popular consultation. That is, the people the people are involved. So option B is correct. Thank you and God bless you. Kindly subscribe for more videos.